Let the band play.
Bro, it's crazy. Yeah, I'm a 90s baby. Lately, I've been going crazy. I've been going crazy lately. I've been going crazy. Yeah, I've been.
Alright, yeah, I told y'all to tune into the content because it's gonna get even crazier. But I don't think anyone was expecting it to be like this. Yeah, that's nuts, fam. Like, look at this, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 at the back. It's actually mental right now what's going on.
Say penthouse living.
How you doing, bro? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, man, blessed.
You say you got everything out. You
It's
got
a movie today. It's a movie.
Come on, bro. Man's got the security stressed, you know.
All of these men are from Canada. Me and Stretch are like the only ones from the UK, man. We're representing today.
Are you guys all of us from the UK?
Yeah.
I'm the only American here.
Whereabouts in America you from?
Minnesota.
It get cold in Minnesota. Cold in Minnesota.
You have a different accent. I know it, bro.
Bro, knew I was from Birmingham somehow.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't even sound like I'm from Birmingham. Or maybe I do.
Maybe you do, bro.
Maybe I've been hanging around Stretch at it too much.
Rubbing off.
Yeah, picking up the accent. What are you saying, Stretch?
Madness.
Bro, 4 days ago we were in the trenches. Tight shit. You know what I'm saying? And I told you guys, yeah? I told you guys the content is only gonna get crazier. So you should subscribe. And how many of you did it? Well, if you haven't, you need to do it right now. Because like I said, the content we're cooking. Holy. I told you guys. Oh, better not blast that shit now. Burn my leg at it. Jeez, that's the best whip out of all of them. That's the best car out of all of them right there. That's an even better mode of transportation right there too. About to head out.
Mops, bro. It's crazy. But yo, we outside. Yes. It's so good.
901 Shelby Drive. Look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side.
Yo guys, I'm so late. Literally everyone here has already pulled up and my car literally took the wrong turn, and so we took 20 minutes because in Dubai if you take the wrong turn it's 20 minutes too late. So anyway, I'm just enjoying the views. I'm taking it all in, but I'm kind of annoyed that I basically missed half the experience and it's already 5:45, so I basically missed like most of the shit that we had planned. I got like 20 minutes late and bro, I almost missed the sunset, but we made it.
One more?
Hamza, can you take some pics, bro?
Yeah, but I'll cook that.
One picture?
Yeah. I'm gonna make you pay.
Okay, just a minute.
Wait, fix this for me.
Okay, just to pay, then I pay.
Wait, I need one more picture.
Okay, don't worry.
She wants to turn into a basic Dubai babes.
Yeah. Okay, bro.
Alright, let's go. Let's go to the back now.
Doing up influencer shit right now, boy.
Brother, this is your bag.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yo guys, I just got here, so everyone's on these little dirt bikes, little ATVs type shit. And yeah, I think we're gonna ride out, enjoy it. I'm probably not gonna vlog too much, but we're just gonna have a little bit of fun.
My boy Hamza.
Alright, we got all the squad riding out right now. Let's go. I'm gonna switch to some footage, a little montage of riding around in some dirt bikes. Let's go.
Hit me.
Hey, pull your mask up. We caught him slipping at the light, we put that cash up. Yeah, I sent my shooter out of town, he caught an N1. All that gassing that you doing, gon' get your man touched. Back to back, choppers in my...
bro. Yo. Holy fuck, man. What was that?
Oh, you blessed?
No, I'm not blessed.
Bro, that happened to me too.
These guys said, no, we're not
Tastes like
blessed.
medicine still.
Bro, it's all in my bag.
Mine too.
Bomba clock.
Look.
Why'd you even bring a Goyard back to that? Look at us, bro.
No, it has gear in there.
Cameras cooked, everything's cooked.
You guys, if you come here, don't do this shit at night. It's too scary. Like, you can't go over stuff.
That's okay. It's a vibe.
Not a vibe. This is a shit vibe.
That's fucking crazy.
It's lit.
Super duper lit, dude.
Stretcher's got sand in his shoe. Crazy. Hey.
Hella, bro.
Fam, man, Stretch got stranded for like.
Yeah, he told me you meant like. just fucking-
Bro,
Yo, our shit was driving.
We was by nobody, like.
Our car
real.
was driving
Yeah.
at like 2 miles per hour, bro.
That's crazy.
You're not
I
used to
know
drone.
these man was scamming because he told me a price and then he was like, are you with a deal? And I was like, yeah. And then he told me another price. He was like, oh, it's like 50 dirhams more because of VAT, and VAT over here is like 5% in it. So the math weren't really mathing.
Nah, they're definitely scamming, bro.
Yeah.
But I just couldn't bother with.
Yeah, I came late, so the sand, bro. There's so much fucking
Yeah,
sand.
because fam, like, tell him, we're literally
How did-
covered in sand. Like someone was in front of us, and literally, like, bro, all I could see sand.
You'd have to put that. You have to put that in the video.
Bro, I don't even know if I captured it.
Got all the mandem out today. Riding ATVs, just wrapped it up. Crazy settings right now, man. Yeah, the Urus is it, bro. He's the best photographer in the game, bro.
Oh my god, stretch, man. My god.
What's good, y'all? That wraps it up for today's video. Got the nice sunset in the background. I'm still getting used to doing this YouTube shit because I normally just be living in the moment and I forget to always record some of the craziest stuff that we had done. So I kind of just put it all into a montage today. But it's hella inspiring being around so many successful young entrepreneurs, people doing something similar to me. And I hope for any of you guys watching out there, this video sort of low-key inspires you to just get on your grind, get living, and get your money up, so then, you know, you can sustain this kind of lifestyle. But it's really, yeah, like I said, man, it's really a blessing to be out here. Like, look at this, bro. Like, who would have thought? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna stop waffling right now, but if you haven't subscribed, I don't even know what you're doing, because I got way more bangers dropping. Literally, this is just the beginning. I've cooked up so many more videos that I'm gonna be dropping, so make sure you click that subscribe button, stay tuned, and yeah, man, it's gonna be a crazy year, 2025. Let's get it.